ready to turn your website visitors into loyal fans and customers. Let's build your Squarespace mailing list, your direct line to your audience. First, log into your Squarespace website editor. Navigate to the Marketing tab located in the left-hand menu. This is where all your outreach tools are housed. From the Marketing menu, click on Email Campaigns. This will take you to the Email Marketing section of Squarespace. To start building your list, we need to set up a way for people to join. Look for the option to create campaign or a similar prompt and select it. Now, you'll see different campaign types. We want to create a way for people to subscribe, so choose the option related to creating a subscriber form or a form block. This is where you'll design your Signup form. Squarespace automatically includes an email address field. You can add other fields like name if you wish by clicking the Add New Field option. For example, to ask for a name, click Add New Field and select text. You can then label this field name. Once your fields are set up, it's crucial to tell Squarespace where to store these subscribers. Find the Settings or Storage tab for your form. Here, you'll want to ensure that Squarespace is selected as your storage. This means your subscribers will be automatically added to your Squarespace mailing list. After saving your form settings, Squarespace will give you options on how to display it. You can choose to embed it directly onto a page, create a pop-up, or get a link to share. To embed it on a page, navigate to the page where you want your Signup form to appear. Edit the page and add a form block. Then select the form you just created. And that's it. You've successfully created a Squarespace mailing list. Start promoting your website, sharing valuable content, and watching your audience grow.